Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my tutorial on making a simple fighter jet in SolidWorks. Now the first thing you would have to do making this design is to save a file, preferably not like these ones that don't have some a certain portion of view missing, rather like a full view set of diagrams, yeah, where you can preferably select your option to take the side, front, and top like this. So you might have to crop it on your Android phone or wherever you want to crop it. You will have to firstly save these files, save a copy. Now this is the side view, right? Side. Now and again you will have to crop it from here, top view. That's about it. A little bit less, right? Okay, save a copy. This is the top view, right? So I'm going to write top. Again, crop and rotate. Aspect ratio, you will always set it to custom because you will need to, adjust your resolution to your preference. Yep, that's about the front view we can get. The wings are equal here, right? Let's see. I'm gonna write here front. Save. Again, crop and rotate aspect ratio custom. Now you're gonna take a back. Now here you can see the back is partial quite. You don't quite need everything like that. You might have to only need the burner section right here, the exhaust section where the fumes come out. Right back. So we have got all the views we require. The bottom view and the cockpit here, open cockpit view is not necessary. Now we are gonna go launch SolidWorks. Yes, file new part. This is not an assembly, so it will be a single part. I prefer to show all the planes first. Sorry, right there, because it will help you to determine the correct resolution and correct positions of your sketch. Now we are gonna go to tools. Here the toolbar, tools, sketch tools. Right below 2D to 3D, you will find sketch picture option. Right here you can have pictures. Now we already got this saved here, so here it goes. Now you can readjust it to like whatever you want, but I recommend not because you will have to then deal with the dimensions of the entire aircraft. You might have to change the scale, and that's a whole lot of trouble. So you might go with like this. Right. Yes, you will have to select transparency. I prefer 0.40 to 0.60. 0.40, I would select here 0.0, right? It's a type of mess right here, but yeah. Zoom in more to determine a correct position because it may help very much indeed. Yeah, this is about it. Rebuild. Now we are gonna go to the right view. As we know, our plane is dimensions from going here to the nose here. So we might prefer, yes, we will prefer this plane, and hence we're gonna sketch. tools, sketch picture, open. Put the nose right at the origin. Define transparency 0.40. Let us see if that this is proportional or not. Yes, this is proportional. I can see the looks of it looking like proportional right here. So we're gonna go and rebuild. Now the top plane, normal top plane sketch, tools, sketch tools, sketch picture. Now we're gonna go with the top view. Yes, open. See, it is quite a 90-degree position to the actual position we need. So we're gonna type 90 here. No, it has gone the other way. So 270 might be preferable here. You're right. Take this and just like the other two, make sure that the nose is just in place on the origin every time, of course, and don't forget to define the transparency. Whatever you do, don't forget. Transparency option is necessary here right now. So we're gonna check again to see if this is proportional or not. Yes, it is. Rebuild. Now, again, you will have to sketch another. Just on top of sketch 2 right here, you will have to sketch front plane, sketch. Again, go to tools, sketch picture, backside, open. Yes, see, a part of this wing is missing. This is because they wanted to fit all those in. You will have to make sure the ratio is perfect just by seeing these, if these parts, the front view and the back view, the wing section right here, matches or not. Yes, you will, don't forget to apply transparency here because you might get mashed up seeing the mingled view right here. Quite this mixed up view may confuse you. So like this, yes, and rebuild, right? Okay, hide sketch 5, the back view part for now, so that you can get a clear view from the front. So this is the part where this this is the part where the sketch picture and diagram ends. So we are going to start by drawing some reference geometrical planes and, yeah, drawing on some reference planes in the next video.